Now to a decision by a Saskatoon judge during a recent manslaughter trial. The victim's family was ordered to turn their shirts inside out, with the judge saying the messaging on their clothing could potentially influence the jury. CTV's Laura Woodward explains.
On the third day of a Saskatoon manslaughter trial, the judge ordered the victim's family to turn these sweaters inside out, hiding the words "Megan Gallagher murdered but not forgotten" from the jury. Roderick Sutherland was found guilty of manslaughter. With the verdict delivered, publication bans on proceedings that took place outside of the jury's presence, including the order for the family to remove their shirts, have now been lifted. Defense lawyer Blaine Bevan told the judge he was worried about the message on the sweaters and its potential influence on the jury.
They're seeing something on a shirt that says this is murder. Like, that's not what he's on trial for. And even if it said this is manslaughter, it's unlawful confinement. That's what he's on trial for. There shouldn't be outside influence. They have to focus on what the evidence is in the case and make their determination on that.
The judge sided with the defense and asked those wearing the sweaters to flip them inside out.
I was quite offended by it.
For 3 years, Gallagher's family has worn shirts with her picture while attending court proceedings for the 9 people charged in her death. Her father, Brian Gallagher, sees no issue with the word murdered.
The earlier convictions had already told us that she was murdered. Personally, what I saw it was as a power play on Bevan's part.
Court heard Gallagher was tied to a chair, tortured, and died after plastic film was wrapped around her face. Stepmother Deb Gallagher said being told to hide her daughter's name was painful.
I think it was an insult to every woman who has been silenced.
Yeah.
It perpetuates the violence towards women. You know, like it was only Megan's. That's the only thing we have left of Megan is her pictures. When are the victims going to be seen in court? When are they going to be acknowledged as victims? Right, and respected.
Sutherland's sentencing hearing is scheduled next month. At that time, the Gallaghers are expected to make victim impact statements. Laura Woodward, CTV News, Saskatoon.